So guys, good day. Welcome back to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, maybe you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's take a look at what we would be expecting this week on GBP USD. But before that, make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section so you stay updated on what potential move GBP USD will be making. I'm going to give you guys that update on the Telegram channel. So go to the comment section, follow us. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel. Now, when you go to this movement, when you clearly can see that this GBP USD is literally, it was a massive movement to the upside, right? It has given us this massive movement. Then we now added this drop. So with what we are seeing now, if you have to go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that within this level, market is ranging within this level. You can start, this is a ranging market move. From here, this is the resistance level, right? We add a movement that gets our support, then a resistance level, then give us a first breakout. Then we add a drop again that gets our support. Now a movement has come to this our resistance level. So what we'll be expecting another movement is to this our support level. So GBP this will be our target. So if markets can come to this level, if it will break below this level, I'll give you guys an update. That update will be on the Telegram channel. And if it's going to push up again, I'll give you guys an update. But our next movement on GBPUSD is likely to this support level. So we should be expecting a drop. Once it gets to this level, then I'll give you guys an update on what next we should be expecting on the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.